Last week we connected an LED up to our Raspberry Pi using a breadboard. This week we're going to use some buttons instead. Here are two examples of buttons that you can buy from the shops. This one normally has a little red cover that sits on top to make it like a nice big red button, and this one is just all built in as one thing. If we look on the underside, we can see that both buttons have got 4 legs. This button, however, has got 2 little protrusions coming from it. Those 2 little bumps need to line up with this central groove on the breadboard. For now, I'm not going to use this one, and instead I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to line up with the breadboard. I'm going to firmly press down until it clicks into place, being careful not to bend the legs. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some jumper wires and I'm going to find where the metal legs go into the rows on the breadboard. In my case, this is going into rows 10 and 12. I'm going to place a wire into row 10 and I'm going to place my other wire into row 12. One of them is going to go to a ground pin. It doesn't matter which, but I'm going to take the black wire, I'm going to take that to a ground pin, which I happen to know is just here. And I'm going to take my white wire and take that over to pin 4, which is just here. And then if I take those two and just tie them up, so now that I have my wires connected up, when I press the button down, the current flows from pin 4 through the button and into the ground, thus completing the circuit.